Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the second trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is Power Grid. Basically the numbers are lower than street expectation. Net profit is down by 4.1%. Revenue is down by 3%. EBITDA is also down by 7% and margins are reported at 84.9% versus 88.5% Y&Y basis. Also company declares the interim dividend of 3.25 rupees per share. Basically this is the low profitability largely because of the sluggish power demand all over the India. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Chemical, where the company net losses of 21 crore versus the profit of 194 crores. Revenue is down by 3.8% at 3,590 crores. EBITDA is also down by 20% and margins are also contracted and reported at 12.1% versus 14.5%. Also, company reports an exceptional loss of 70 crores. The next stock is HFCL, where the company net profit is down by 11% at 73 crores. Revenue is also down by 2%. EBITDA is up by 30% and margins are also reported at 15% versus 11.3% on yearly basis. The next stock is Gland Pharma, where the company's net profit is up by 6.7% at 204 crores. Revenue is down by 10.4%. EBITDA is up by 1% and margins are reported at 26% versus 23.1% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Welspun Corp, Welspun Enterprises, where the company's net profit is down by 13.4%. Revenue is up by 22.7%. EBITDA is also up by 1.5% and margins are reported at 14.8% versus 17.9%. The next stock is KC International, where the company's net profit is up by 33.8%. Revenue is also up by 6.8%. EBITDA is also up by 21.6% at 374 crores and margins are reported at 7% versus 5.2% on Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is NLC India, where the company's net profit is reported at 668 crore versus 250 crores on yearly basis. Revenue is up by 40%. EBITDA is also reported at 1,826 crore versus 904 crore. Margins are reported at 41.4% versus 28.6%. Also, company declared an interim dividend of 15%, which means 1.50 per equity share for the financial year 24-25. And the record date for the dividend is set to be 7th of November 2025. The next stock is Castrol India, where the company's net profit is up by 12.2% at 271 crores. Revenue is up by 7%. EBITDA is also up by 14.3% and margins are also reported at 27.8% versus 26% on yearly basis. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.